Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off incoming calls on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, get into settings. Then tap at Focus and select Do Not Disturb. Here tap at People, and first off select Allow Notifications From. Then make sure that no one selected in here, just hit at that minus signs to delete all the contacts from here. Then hit at Allow Calls From and select Allowed People Only. So if no one has added right there, no one will be able to call you while you are on Do Not Disturb. Also, I recommend you to toggle off Allow Repeated Calls, and then you can hop out Settings. Then swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and select Do Not Disturb. You can just hit at that focus to enable Do Not Disturb, or you can hold down on focus and select Do Not Disturb from here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.